It represents how we also do our assignments. Don't mind professors, please. Okay, so in the beginning we are always lazy, but towards the end, oh my god, we used to rush things, right?
That's the do and die situation.
Yes,
So I'd like to say something about the dance. Hatopi like you in amba kidon katoka ne uwe ba shong uwe ba yang wai paisha ka dia uwe paisha kaman pi mo kitoba ki bakla em katoka jiwai ta ni bisa punta ya tapi so
shall we move on?
Yeah, sure.
So we shall move on to another dance by Rishisha, which will be followed by the special.
The second year would be furious at me. So I don't like that. So, Miss Meba?
I think the song given by the second year student teachers was good on its own way, and the song given by the first year student teachers was also good. Okay.
Yeah, you know better than me.
But I can see that the first year student teachers seems to be multi-talented, don't you think?
They are.
We are very honored to have them as our juniors, right, Sir Butte?
Yes.
Shall we move on?
Sure.
Okay, so we move on to the dance by the Lazy Dance Group. Okay, so we